Hello guys, welcome back to another Monday voice note, kicking your week off, giving you focus and just giving you a little bit of a buzz, a little bit of a lift. If you're new to these every Monday, unscripted, I just share a little idea to pick you up. Normally they come out in the morning, but half term, I don't want to talk about it. I'm getting back on track, so here we go. This week I want to share with you how to get clarity when you're feeling all over the place. There are a lot of people right now who aren't taking action. They've got so many ideas, there's so much they want to do, there's so much they want to talk about, and yet they're not making the video or finishing the course or launching the membership or booking the holiday or doing the thing. They're just not doing it. Why? Well, I'm not going to be like, listen, just get it done, because obviously you would have tried that already, right? I just want to acknowledge, first of all, the world is a really busy, messy, chaotic place. And so many people are vying for our attention. I rarely go on social media. I scroll sometimes. The reason I go on social is to share stuff, is to see what my family and friends are up to. I love that. And it's to go into the Facebook groups for the programs I run. That's it. Because there are so many messages. There's too much. I keep going back to the idea of what kind of life do I want to live? Who do I want to be? What am I here to do, and how can I do that? And I know that the more time I spend on social media, the less productive I become, and do I want to say the less happy I become? That being said, there are some people that I go to on a regular basis. So for example, I was at the gym and a notification popped up from Casey Neistat. He used to vlog nearly every day a few years ago, but he stopped. He left New York and he stopped vlogging. He appeared with a vlog, instant watch. Like, that guy, I will watch. And I've got a handful of people like that. If they post something, I do get notified. I'm on their mailing list. I've probably hit the bell or whatever it is to be notified, and I will consume their content. And that just reminds me again how important it is to build and create content that is deep and useful and serves a purpose, where somebody watches it or consumes it and they actually feel better, or they feel like they can take a step, or they feel like they can move forward, or they just feel lifted. Create that kind of in-depth, more meaty content, and people will come back to you. They'll come back to you for more. And when you post, they'll say, that person has a new whatever. I want to go and check it out. And that's why I'm a big advocate of shows. Create a show. Anyway, I wanted to say to you that there is so much going on in the world, and I think social media, and especially if you're in business, the demand it puts on you to create content on a daily basis or whatever, it can make your head spin. And running a business now is getting harder and harder, because it used to be that you created stuff and you did a post about it. Now everything is just so campaign-led and there's so many pieces. So here's what I want to say to you. If you've lost clarity and you don't know what you're doing and you're all over the place and you're doing everything but the thing that you should, and you're just desperate to get back on track, 3 things. It's this simple. Move, pick, create. Move, pick, create. All right? First things first. If you're stuck in a rut, going around in circles, haven't got a clue, you've got to move your body. Worst thing you can do is sit down, sit still and think. That is not good. That is not helpful. There are times where you might want to do a little bit of reflective thinking, but if you do that, go, move, go to the coffee shop, go to the bookshop, go to the reservoir, go sit by the lake, go on holiday. A client of mine messaged me the other day, or was it yesterday? Saying, hey Lisa, just messaging you from the Maldives. I've gone by myself because I needed a break for clarity. And I thought, that is perfection. The joy of going on a plane, of going on a train, of going somewhere. That is half of it. That movement, that change in scenery reinvigorates you. So before you do anything, don't be sitting down and doing this exercise in bed, or sitting down at your coffee table where you always are. Won't work. You got to move. You got to get out of the house. You got to get out of where you're used to. You've got to provide new stuff to stimulate you. Even if you have a favorite bookshop, I might even say find another one, because it's about the newness. It's about the movement. It's about the new stimulus, if you will. It's about a new environment. Okay, so first things first, move. A big thing for me in movement is the gym, and it's really important to me on my tracker, my behaviour tracker, for being the person who does the thing. More on that soon. I'm excited. It's really important to me that I go to the gym, maybe not every day, but 4 times a week, 5 at a push. Today I went on a run with the dogs. Yesterday would have been Sunday. I was at the gym doing abs, and then a little bit on the treadmill, walking uphill. So good. I don't even have to do anything. I just come back and I have ideas. I feel better. I feel powerful. I feel creative. So first things first, if you're stuck, you've got to move. Like, think about it. If you're stuck and all over the place, That is a stationary feeling. Move your body, put your body in the movement and your mind will follow. That's the first thing. Second thing is to pick, P-I-C-K, dead simple. You've probably got 10 ideas because you're an entrepreneur and you're a creative being. And even if you're not in business, there's so many things you want to do. I want to renovate the house. I want to sort the car out. I want to do this. I want to do that. We have so many things because we're creative beings and we're constantly inspired by things we can create. It is overwhelming to have 101 projects on the go, and it is depressing to have 101 projects on the go when you are not taking action against any of them. So here's my suggestion. They're probably all good ideas. Pick the truth. Which is the one right now that feels most aligned, even if you can't see how it's going to work? Pick the truth and take action. Disregard. Is that a word? Get rid of the rest. Let's keep it simple. Get rid of the rest, because you will lose 2 or 3 months of your life in indecision because there are too many projects. You are far better picking one and taking action. Again, if I sit and I just think and I mull over and I'm in the clouds with all these ideas, I find that really demotivating. Days, weeks, months of your life can go by like that. You've got nothing to show for it. But the second you sit down and you just start writing the plan, or you just start typing the chapter, or you just start creating the new metric spreadsheet that you're going to use, whatever it is, there's a big difference between thinking about it and all that time and energy and worry and stress and pressure that goes into that versus not thinking about it and just doing it. I keep saying to people, stop having an opinion on it, just do it. You know what you want to do. If it's a membership, go and buy the membership platform right now. Put your money where your mouth is and say, 30 days from today, the doors are opening. What do I have to do to get ready? Give yourself that level of focus, pick something, discard the rest and come back to it. You've got plenty of time. There is no rush, there's plenty of time. My mum always said to me, Lisa, you can do it all. You just can't do it all right now, so pick. And I freaking love that. So 1, move your ass. Number 2, pick. Pick the truth, pick what's easy, pick what'll get you moving and take action, stop thinking. Third one, create. Get straight into creation mode. Literally, on hearing this, I want you to put everything down, put your phone down, because there's nothing on it after you've listened to this. I mean, what more could you possibly need? Go to the place, it could be your dining room table, better if it's a coffee shop or somewhere exciting, and don't think, it sounds crazy, don't have an opinion, just start typing the output, the sales page, the blog post. If you haven't posted for weeks and you're like, oh, it's too late, I can't post, just post something right now. Doesn't matter about the likes or the follows, I promise you'll feel better just from posting it. If you're like, oh Lisa, for me it's the gym, I haven't been, I'm off, just go for a walk right now, grab your kids, grab your dog, grab your family, whatever, round the block twice, or I don't know, not even far, just do it. The action of getting into that creation moment, of actually doing the thing and stopping having an opinion on it, it will change your life. It will change your life. So I don't want to hear that you have no clarity. If you have no clarity, I know what you're doing. You're sitting and you're thinking, you're not moving your body, and you're looking at all these ideas and you ain't picking one. It's as simple as this, and let this be the motto of your week. Move, pick, create. It's as simple as that. Move your body, move yourself, get out somewhere new. Pick the thing that'll move you forward, or that feels right, or feels like the truth, or the thing that's easy. Just pick one thing. Even if you pick the wrong thing, just pick it, because in a month's time, you'll know it was the wrong thing and you can pick something else. And then thirdly, stop thinking, stop having an opinion, get straight into creation mode. What is the one thing you can produce today that will look like an outcome that you can share with the world, you can take to your business coach, you can put in a group for feedback, you can put out and start getting feedback on? I'm excited about that. I'm going to go do that right now. But before I go, I want to tell you 2 things. If you haven't seen, I'm doing a presentation with The Guardian very, very soon. Tickets for that are below. All about purpose, finding clarity on why you're here, setting a plan to become the person who does the thing. Freaking love that. And if you've been wondering about the membership, guys, it's coming. I'm going to launch it in May. I'm going to share more news on it soon. This membership is not a business membership. This membership is about life and happiness and goals and being the person who does the thing. There's a big clue for you. So when it comes, you'll be very, very excited. I'm going to do something where the first 50 people get in at a lower price. So watch out for notifications on that. Literally, that is the thing right now that I have picked and I am doing and I'm creating stuff on today. So I hope that helps to inspire you, to get you moving, to help you find a little bit of clarity. If it does, please email me, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Hit subscribe, hit like, and I'll see you at the gym, maybe? Over and out.